In my journey of making the ultimate vegan chicken, I've tried dozens of the most popular vegan chicken recipes that you can find online, and quite frankly, they all fall short. Something that this recipe doesn't do. These are some of the best ingredients to use to make vegan chicken. I find jackfruit to be an excellent addition, as well as using vital wheat gluten. Vital wheat gluten is so important because it helps create the fibers that you need in that chicken. It helps with that pull. The tofu helps with keeping in some of that moisture, but also some of that bounce, some of that push that exists in chicken. This is such a simple process. You just gather all the ingredients, measure it out, put it in a food processor. After about a minute, you get this dough and you get to work on building your chicken. After shaping your chicken and packaging it in some wax paper and aluminum foil, you are good to go to help it get pressured in some steam cooking. The steam cooking helps the chicken take its form and keep its actual shape. The key is to make sure that you have thin fillets. Those will cook the best and have the best texture. And on to the home stretch. All you do from here is remove it from all the packaging, add it to a skillet, get it nice and browned on the outside, and your chicken is good to go. This is some of the best vegan chicken I've ever had, let alone created. This recipe has excellent texture, flavor, and you can use it for just about anything. I love everything about this chicken. It even has that pull that you get from real chicken. If you are looking for a vegan chicken, a plant-based alternative, this is the recipe for you. I spent a lot of time and resources on putting together this premium recipe, and now you have access to this in your own home.